bazali bakamzitho, welcome to Mgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazali bamzitho, it's about uMusa Mseleku. But guys, bengifuna nje ukuqala ngithi happy belated birthday to Ubaba Khumalo. Yesterday it was a birthday kaBaba Khumalo, even though they didn't reveal age yakhe, but he looks very young. He looks so young, guys. Umpilo Nhle bekapostile ukuthi happy birthday kuBaba Khumalo, even though Khumalo, he looks young, and guys, he seems like he is working at government manje, because isikipha lesibakasigcokile saka government. So I guess akasasebenzeli ubaba uMseleku and bamfake somewhere. Now I'm starting to believe ukuthi ubaba uMseleku unayo connection yaka government, ngoba if you remember uma yena usebenza ka government, there's a time uSine ke wathi uSine wafuna umsebenzi ka government, uSine azange aphishe, futhi uSine yasine sesiname siyamthanda nje, simzwela ubuhlungu ngoba angasana mama, kodwa ezinye zezinto abazishoyo ngayo yena akekho right. Just imagine ufunele umuntu umsebenzi angayi, noma ngabe bomfunele esitolo, noma ngabe bomfunele esitolo samakulu, umuntu angayi, ulethe leyo muntu loyo nengane ezuyithumba umama mdala, but yena makafuna umsebenzi akayi. But ke bazala bamzitho, I just wanted to say happy belated birthday to Ubaba Khumalo. Siyabonga nje ukusisalela uMama Khumalo, umfazi strong, even though kuthiwa unobumenemene kodwa yena shem strong. Today wanted us to talk about uMusa Mseleku. Guys, yesterday uMusa Mseleku has posted Instagram yakhe isithombe abhale ukuthi iphi inyoka. We know that recently, not recently futhi, in the past few years, abantu abaningi, they were saying that uMusa Mseleku uthwele. A lot of people, they were saying that uMusa Mseleku uthwele. I didn't want to entertain that thing because I believe that if you work hard, uNkulunkulu uzokubless. Guys, I do not believe kulezi zinto zokuthwala. Yes, I do know that ikhona into enjalo, but akusinto engifuna ukuyifaka emqondweni wami kakhulu, because ngiyazi ukuthi izongimesa umqondo and izongenza ukuthi ngirelax life in thinking that every black man orich uthwele. uMusa Mseleku, we know that on the previous episode uveze ukuthi yena nosisi wakhe abasazwani, isisi wakhe which is uMpumi, umntana kubo nje bazwala bayi-2 kumamabo, and umntana kubo kwasho ukuthi ukhule nje ulo muntu awuye, she has a degree because of uMusa Mseleku. Uthi uMpumi wahamba wayobona abantu ababonayo, awu abantu abahlolayo, then abantu abahlolayo bamtshela ukuthi uMusa Mseleku uthwele ngesuccess yakhe, guys. And now we know, sithi nje guys, mina izangoma zikhuluma ku TikTok, Facebook, everywhere on social media, we know that ikhona into ukuthi bathi bakhona abantu abathwala ngama ancestors. That means abantu abathwala ngendlozi lisebenzele wena kuphela. A lot of people, they believe that thing, since we know that uMusa Mseleku is one man obhilivela kuma ancestors wakhe, uthanda ama sisters wakhe, even nemoto zakhe zibhale thanks ma, company yakhe, the production company yakhe thanks ma, everything yabo thanks ma, you understand? So a lot of people believe lento leyo, but mina guys, ngifuna nje bisikhulume ngalento leyo. Mina I really don't believe that. I don't wanna lie. If uqale nothando nesithembu, or if you've been following i-success kaMusa, you could see ukuthi iyakhula, and ayikhuli ngale ndlela le fast. uMusa is not a billionaire. Yes, he is a millionaire, but he's not a billionaire. And if uMusa uthwele, why i-success yakhe ingaqhumi? Abantu abathwele, guys, as ngengeva ku-podcast engitshila uDr inyanga yodumo, uDr Kehlelezi ayi-explain indaba yokuthwala ukuthi umuntu namhlanje angavuka athengisa amatamati, kusasa drive iMercedes. If you could look at uMusa, guys, and look at umsebenzi awenzayo, impilo lifestyle abayiphila abafazi bakaMusa is so simple. uMama Khumalo, yes, uphila ugcoka impahla eyidurayo nani, because she is working, but laba abadepende kuMusa, you could see ukuthi bagcoka iy'tolo ezinormali, umizi yabo inormal. Obvious vele he will afford imoto ngoba impilo abayiphila inormal. I don't think even abantwana babo baya to these private schools lezi eyidurayo ezabo 90,000 yabo. No, I think baya ey'koleni ezinormal, because even you can hear i-English yabo, you could see ukuthi hayi baye nje ey'koleni ey'normal nje, noma ngabe zise-town lezi sinokumusa thina ingane zethu yabo, ezabantu aba-affordayo. I don't think ukuthi uMusa, mina I truly don't think uMusa uthwele. I've seen abantu abaningi bathi uMusa uthwele. I don't think uMusa uthwele, and I've seen abantu abaningi bathi uMusa uthwele ngesithembu just because now uforced ukuthatha number 5. I still don't believe that. Mina first, I think it was first episode of uthando nesithembu season 1, if not second, uMusa Mseleku makacoca indaba yakhe nomama yakhe nogogo wakhe, washo ukuthi ugogo wakhe, she was sick ngendlela ukuthi bokuye umgezayo menza everything, and ugogo wakhe made a promise to uMusa ukuthi you will never suffer empilweni yakho. So, since I'm someone who believes that ama ancestors wethu, they are there, I believe ukuthi idlozi seliyamblessa, seliyambonga. And then guys, let's just be honest, this man is working hard, and then now this season you could see ukuthi akekho rich ngale ndlela lesicabanga ukuthi rich ngayo. No, he's not. Akekho rich. It's not like ukuthi labafazi bahlala kuma-bond houses. No. Umacele phela uhlala esipark and naye esipark if uyayibheka akusi these houses esivela kubo the real housewives or zosivela ku-top building. No, it's just a normal bond. But-ke bazala bami, so please comment down below if you really think that uMusa Msele uthwele or uzifanele nami, you just think that he is working hard or he has worked hard empilweni uNkulunkulu sekayambusisa. Please comment down below your thoughts and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda nentreg.